Hi, my name is Emeka Kanu, and I've worked with Mario a number of times. And I have to say, it's been an absolute pleasure every single session. We typically end up going over, one session to two sessions back to back because he's being so helpful. And not only does he have the required knowledge base to do the work and to advise, especially on app development projects, but more importantly, he is a thought partner, right? He's able to bounce ideas off and really, I think, reflect his creativity when it comes to app development. So for anyone out there that is thinking of developing apps, whether it be code or some other version, light code, I would definitely recommend Mario. He is an absolute expert. He's a pleasure to work with, both professionally and just socially. And overall, you're going to be very happy with the end result and the end work product.